I'm at the bike mechanic. He's going to put a new switch in for me, or a new fuse in for me. He's already got the seat off.
But fuse is okay.
That's okay, but the new one will be better.
Okay.
Be much better. With a car fuse in it. Then I got 100 new fuses to change. 50 watt and 50 40. He fixed the motor up, got it all tuned up. It runs great now. Chain's tight. The starter works. It's pretty handy. Oh, there's my new fuse there. Sealed in case it gets wet. No, this guy's the best mechanic, best bike mechanic I've seen on this island by far. He can do anything. Do you ever wire lights onto a car, like accessory lights?
And
on a car? Put a switch in the car? I gotta do that.
maybe.
Yeah. Well, I saw you putting lights the other day on the tricycle. Some accessory lights.
Accessories?
Yeah, just kind of
Okay.
same thing for a car. And I'm gonna have him change the oil. I have
In your car?
1 liter. Yeah, in my car, a liter of Shell Helix HX3 2050. That should be good. He suggests changing the oil once a month because it's so hot here, and I agree with him. Bike's got discs on the front, discs on the brake. It's got street tires on it now. Real nice on the highway. All I got to do, I got to get a rack in the back though, some sort of rack. You can't haul anything on it. It's got some pegs that stick down by the seat there, but they're at the wrong angle. Your ropes just fall right off of them. And I wanted to hook it up straight with no fuse, but he said better to have a fuse on it. The place I bought it from had no idea how to fix the starter and stuff. It took him 30 seconds to figure it out. Took apart my carburetor and got that running good, and he did a wonderful job on it. And he works for almost nothing, but I always pay him 500 pesos or 600 pesos, whatever I think. I'm down in a little place called Tulong, Hitapi. It's about 2 miles or 3 miles from my house. Oh, those are nice.
Yes, this one
Yeah.
is selling couple.
Do you need some more of those?
Yeah.
I got like two big packs of mixed sizes. You can I'll bring one down for you. I've only used 3 or 4 of them ever. That's better than tape, by far. He's got a nice little roadside shop, and yeah, anything on bikes or tricycles, everybody comes to him. I want to get my muffler a little louder. I don't know what he can do about that, but well, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Take care.